So good evening, sir. Uh, this is my report for Group 1, CAD Software Basics, saving, printing, and exporting your CAD drawings. Saving, printing, and exporting are core CAD function to finalize your drawing. Save a CAD file keeps the project editable in its native format, while exporting creates a new files in a different format like PDF or an image for sharing or use in other programs. And printing creates a physical copy on paper or sends it to a digital printer. Each process involves setting option for paper size, layout, quality, and output, so suit your needs. So, ang pasabot ni sir is saving man. So, kung gusto nimo siya ugmanan nimo, tiwasan nimong card nga imong nakuan, pwede mo sa i-save. Kung gani, kung okay, mahuman na, pwede nimo sa i-kuan sa i-format nimo like sa PDF para kung gusto mo send sa mong teacher or sa mong friends. So continue to sir. Saving purpose to store the current editable state of your CAD project in its native files format, .wg. This allow you to return to it later to make changes. So ang purpose ani, ang purpose sa saving is matago nimo imong files para kung gusto nimo usbon nimo, pwede kayo. So continue. So process typically involves clicking the save icon or using keyboard shortcut with a overwrite the existing files with the current changes. So key function receives the drawing for editability and data. So ang process sir, pasabot niya is kung gusto nimo siya mananan nimo, so imo i-save, bisito na lang nimo na save icon dito. Tapos kung gusto kag shortcut dito ka sa keyboard, control S mo lang. So ang key function is kung gusto nimo diri na nimo, kung ma-save nimo, pwede na nimo kung gusto ka na i-usbon sa akong giingon ba ganiya is kung gusto pwede nimo usbon, pwede nimo kaya naka-save na yun, save pa man na imo pang mausab ang imong gibuhat sa CAD. So mga to sir, thank you sir. So naday ko i-send video sir para thank you sir.